My new favourite vegetable this season would have to be the Kalette. And if you don't know what a Kalette is, essentially it's a hybrid between Brussels sprouts and kale. And this is what you get, this gorgeous purple tinge at the base of it. And then these little fine leaves. They're fantastic raw, baked or deep fried. And that's what I'm going to do. These are going to be my tempura Kalette. So into a bowl, a combination of corn flour, plain flour and some bicarb, and this is going to give it a lovely lightness. Whisk that together, a small pinch of salt. And now for the liquid. This is just mineral water, so the bubbles are going to make it quite crispy and light too. And now whisk in that water along with those ice cubes until we've got a smooth batter. Now you want to almost keep as many bubbles in there as possible, so just go gently until it's the consistency of pouring cream. Happy with that? And these Kalettes are going in whole. I want them to be super crispy on the outside. So in with the Kalettes, just dunk it all the way in. Allow that excess batter to fall off. And then into some hot oil. So this needs to be at 180 degrees, and be careful when you're doing this. Look at that, they almost open up like flowers. Now these take no time at all to become crispy and crunchy. How great do they look? So I'm draining them on a rack, and we'll grab our little Kalettes and pop them on a plate. This is a traditional dipping sauce to go with tempura, a combination of soy, mirin, a little sugar, and you want to eat these when they're still piping hot and crispy. Gee, they look good. Better have a taste. Dip it in. So crispy, the perfect batter for these Kalettes.